Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the last part of this series. I didn't mean to go this far, but the person who helped me uh, figure a couple of things out and make it a better way actually emailed me today and said instead of having to delete this line, which would be easy enough after you're through, and this could be a case in anything. So you've got a bunch of these. All you have to do is go to Windows, Docker's Object Manager, and it pops up. So we've got, on our page, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. One of them, if you'll click on it, is the red hairline. One of them is the black hairline we use for a guide, and the other three are artistic text. Well, his suggestion, and it very well true, I've never even looked at it, because as in default, it will not print if you put this. So if you'll just click on it and drag it up to guides, now that black is in guides and will not print. So that's pretty cool. So you can have them like that and use it in the future. And you can actually see, I don't know if you can see it on your screen, it actually turned it from black or from black to blue. Let's take that back. So there's the black hairline. We're going to move it up to guides. And I guess that's the default color, is that blue. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.